I am so excited. Today is Prime Day. When it comes to prepping items, survival items, today's the day to get them. Some items upwards of 50% off. So I always wait until Prime Day to get it. Now I'm going to link a whole bunch of items below, but listen, every one of these items I own, I use all the time. I highly endorse. They work very well. So I'll link up below in case you want to pick them up. Let's jump right into it. The first category is self-defense and security. I recommend this all the time. It's a Smith & Wesson pocket knife, only 22 bucks. I carry this guy everywhere. It is a fantastic knife. And I discovered this a few years ago. It's a 6-in-1 pocket knife sharpener, but has all kinds of other stuff too, including a fire starter. And this is some serious prepping right here for a trip perimeter alarm. It's made to hold a 12-gauge blank round and goes off when somebody trips the wire. These pack a punch and are incredible. And I've talked about these before, haven't I? Driveway alarm, half-mile long range. These are amazing. You can get multiple sensors for it, up to 32, and every single sensor has its own programmable sound. I use them around my house. I use them when we travel. I use them for everything. And speaking of survival and functionality, yeah, a little bit more expensive. It's a tactical Tomahawk. Fantastic. Hammerhead, pry bars, all kinds of cool stuff. This is awesome. And it seems like there are 3 billion multi-tools in the market, but I love my Gerber. Fantastic unit and only 32 bucks. And there's lots of things I have for everyday carry, including a tungsten steel tactical pen. I love this pen. Of course, I write with it, but great for self-defense too. I have so many of these. Let's go over some medical items, because some of these items absolutely are essential for saving your life. First off, Bleedstop first aid powder for blood clotting. Should be part of every one of your kits, trauma kits. Next up, a SAM Splint. You mold this for like setting broken bones and such. This is a Rhino Rescue one. SAM Splint's a brand name, but you can't beat $7.64 for the price on this. Same thing with this too. Cohesive bandages. We always called them Coban. These are great for holding things in place. And along the same lines, here is for $8.50, a whole bunch of elastic bandages. And essential for everybody. I mean everybody. 6-inch Israeli bandages. And it's nice when you have a lot of stuff in a single kit. $38 for this large kit of 450 different things for medical. Fantastic. Next up, lighting and electronics. Lots of essential things in this category too. Starting off with my Olight. I love this. I modeled my Arc Pro for the channel. This is by far my favorite flashlight. I am in love with it. And it's normally 100 bucks, on sale for 80, worth every single penny. And I have so many of these, by the way. Solar power banks. They have flashlights in them, but obviously you could put them out for solar charging. And they have a battery, 10,000 milliamp hours, to be able to charge up devices. Absolutely essential and super bright. A 4-pack of emergency lanterns. These are amazing. And if you have kiddos or grandkiddos, here is a hand-cranked solar-powered flashlight. It's a 6-pack. These are great so the kids can charge them up or solar charging, so that way they don't kill your batteries, which they will. And when I discovered this, I bought a bunch of them. I love my Keychain flashlights. These are round ones, and they have all kinds of other features like starting fires and such. Fantastic. And here is basically the same principle, a 4-pack of these lights, rechargeable, super bright and awesome. And I've got lots of crank radios, but this is by far my favorite. Has NOAA, emergency weather radio, portable power bank. It's crank, it's solar, has a flashlight, and it can even charge your device. Must have this. In fact, a few of them, by the way, if you have like bug out bags and such. And this is great. It's not a Prime Day sale, but it is on sale. It is a Road Trip CB radio, but it's nice because it has the extra antenna for the rooftop on your car. And I couldn't endorse this more. I've got a bunch of these, by the way, but here's a 2-pack of Baofeng ham radios, handheld. Fantastic. 55 bucks is such a great price. And another light for you. I love these too. It's a 2-pack of headlamps, which makes it easy to be able to work in the dark. You don't have to hold a flashlight. But this specific one has a red light, which is perfect so you don't have a problem with night vision. 14 bucks for a pair. Awesome. And when I bought this, I fell in love with it. It's a Flex Solar 40-watt solar panel charger. It's flexible, so that way I just attach it to my backpack or take it anywhere to be able to charge up whatever I need to. And again, I have everything linked below so you can pick it up, or you can go there now to go ahead and check out the items. But next, food and water and cooking and such. This is a gravity-fed water filter straw that's nice. Instead of just using a straw that slowly simply just trickles through the gravity filter to be able to make lots of pure water. Or a big pack of Aquatab's water purification tablets, great for biological agents in, for example, like lakes or ponds or streams. And my favorite camping stove is the Biolite Camp Stove 2 Plus wood burning one. And it's incredible. It's basically a battery-powered rocket stove, but this battery is rechargeable. In fact, once the fire starts going, it charges the battery. This particular set also has this water kettle, which makes water really hot really fast. We love our Biolites, and our family, we have a whole bunch of them. Or you can get a propane or butane stove. This is great too. Dual fuel stove for camping. Of course, I like the Biolite because it uses wood, but if you like the butane or propane, this guy works very, very well. And to go along with their little stove, you should get a percolator. Let's go back to the 70s, that good old sound of percolating coffee. But very nice, little stovetop version for $12. Can't go wrong. And something just smart to get are emergency food ration bars. They are high energy bars, so that way if you're on the run, or if you need to be able to have some quick energy without cooking a meal, always have some of these laying around or in your backpacks. Here are just a few general survival items. I love my military compass. Make sure you have this along with some maps. I bought a big box of these and we're still using them. 580 cotton compressed towels. Fantastic for every backpack or bag you have. And I'll tell you, one of our best purchases we ever made is this portable washing machine. It has a dryer per se. It's more like just a spinner, but it helps. It actually gets things a little bit dry. Throw it in your bathtub and it only works on 110, which is great. This is the perfect backup, or crap, it's the fan, washer, and dryer system. Again, it's not a dryer, but it spins dries. But this thing's great for always backup in case your washer and dryer fails, which nowadays they do all the time. Right now, we don't even have it in our house because we have a friend, their washer and dryer was down, so they borrowed this. Fantastic unit. I highly recommend you get one, and a basic solar generator will make it work. And our last category is about keeping you warm, or at least making fires. Military wool blankets. I like this because they're super cozy, all kinds of different colors and flavors. Very nice. $33. I would pick one up. And there's lots of basic emergency items in here to keep in your car or backpacks. Here's a 4-pack of survival sleeping bags. It literally could save your life. Or for $5, almost $6, a 4-pack of survival blankets. Again, have them everywhere. I do. And the same goes with this emergency survival life tent. $17 for one. Room for two. How snuggly and cozy. But again, keep warm, dry, and safe in an emergency situation. In our family, we love to camp a lot, so these actually saved our heinies one time, kept us nice and warm during a very rainy camping trip. We went hiking. Emergency Mylar ponchos. Here's a 4-pack for $16. And I remember the first time I used one of these, I was like, where has this been my whole life? It is a manual hand chainsaw, $22. Works very well in cutting wood to be able to make a fire. And I also have a couple of these for $14, basically folding saws. They work very well too. And of course, there are lots of ways to start fires, but here's a 2-pack of waterproof lighters, windproof torch lighters. These are just fun to be able to start fires, and they work very well. So there you go, guys. Links below. Pick up these items, whatever you need to be able to add to your stash. You don't have to go crazy, but go through and get some of the essential items today, maybe tomorrow. I'm sure these Prime Day sales will go for the next few days. Now, I always have to say that we're Amazon affiliates, so if you do click on it, we get a portion of the sale, but your price doesn't change. And as a channel that puts out these videos for free for you, we don't have Patreon, nothing like that. We say thank you because it's a win-win. You get the gear you need on sale, and we get just a small portion of your sale, helps fund our channel and our family. We say thank you. So anyways, links below, guys. Go ahead and pick up whatever you need. And now is the time to stockpile and stock up because Prime Days is when we have all these amazing sales. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow with more.